Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. One of my favorite things to eat are tortillas and wraps, but since I'm on the keto diet, I can't eat any of that. So I'm gonna show you how to make some keto-friendly tortillas and wraps. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Alright, let's get started.
Bring your water to a boil and add your salt. Then, this is the time to add any seasonings. I use onion powder and garlic powder. Now, with the stove off, stir in your flaxseed meal and stir until it becomes a dough ball. Once cooled, divide into 4 equal parts. Using 2 sheets of parchment paper, roll out your tortillas or wraps. I find that they work a little bit better if they are a little bit thicker. Using a lid to measure how big I want my wrap, I cut out my tortillas. Then, slightly cook on both sides until desired texture.
Alright guys, these tortillas are super versatile. I made a quesadilla, but you can also do tacos, you can make them a little bit bigger and do like full-on wraps. And then you can also flavor them however you like. So I put garlic powder and onion powder and salt, but you could also do turmeric, cayenne pepper, whatever you like. Alright, let's have a taste. They're not too flaxseedy taste, but they cook up just like a tortilla. This is super good. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!